We know our enemy is not the migrant worker, but it's the underpaying boss, the overcharging landlord, the corporations ripping us all off on our energy and water bills. It's trade unions that stand up for working class people day in and day out, and we do that by recognising one fundamental truth, and that is that unity is strength. When politicians try to divide workers by race, birth, sexuality, or anything else that they're trying to divide us on, it is in their interest to have us squabbling amongst ourselves and with each other, rather than uniting to get better pay, better housing, and better public services for all. Some of our members working for the government as security guards, caterers and cleaners have recently been striking for better pay and for rights at work. They are white, they are black, they are Asian, some were born in the UK, others are migrants, but they all suffer from the same low pay, insecure contracts, no company sick pay, no decent bereavement leave or parental leave. After months of strike action, they won better pay, they won company sick pay, they won parental leave, and they won bereavement leave for the very first time. And that is what trade unions can achieve and do achieve day in, day out. We can never sit back and expect a government, even a Labour government, to do that job for us. It will always be down to the trade union movement.